Hi everyone, my name is Clint.
And my name is Seth.
And Seth and I are in the sales team here at Liberty Systems. And today, Seth and I are going to be doing a product review and comparison of the Zebra DS3600-XR scanner and the Honeywell 1991 XLR scanner. And the conversation today is we're just going to do a kind of a quick feature set of both, and then actually get into a pretty in-depth, pretty fun demonstration and competition between the two scanners as well.
Yeah, so I'm just going to start off and give kind of the key features of the Zebra DS3600, the XR. Just starting off, it's super comfortable to hold, ergonomic, very nicely weighted, and it's very rugged as well. So this thing has a 10-foot drop spec on it. It's going to be able to handle all the harshest conditions possible, whether it's dumped underwater in a tank, if you're in negative 20-degree weather, dust, cold, everywhere, it's going to hold up really well. And then it also has a 100-foot scan range on it, which is quite impressive actually. And it has this very high visibility green dot laser too, which is new. So it's very easy to see, point and shoot. It also does better in the outdoors because it has that brighter laser on it. And then it's also available in Bluetooth, like we have it here, or also corded. So whether you're going back to your mobile computer, your vehicle computer, you're going to have those options either way. And then if you are doing Bluetooth, it has a really nice battery in it. So you can do 80,000 scans on one charge with this device, which is obviously way more than enough for a full shift, a full day of work.
Yeah, and just kind of on the, again, now looking at the Honeywell. So 80,000 scans, very impressive. The Honeywell only is rated to about 50,000 scans. But again, that's still about 14 hours of battery life. So still going to be more than enough to get you through that first or second shift. Again, the Honeywell device is actually very rugged, just like the Zebra unit. Also has a 10-foot drop spec. Also has an IP65 rating. So again, going to be very resistant to dust, to water. You can bring it in and out of those freezer environments with the cooler ambient, and it's going to withstand very well. Again, you can get it in Bluetooth. You can get it in wired. And it also has a green dot scanner, but it's only rated to about 80 feet. So again, where the Zebra is about at 100, the Honeywell's at 80. And we're actually going to take it up to the warehouse and do a little demonstration and see just how much further the Zebra scanner can actually go. All right, so we are out here in our warehouse. And again, what we're going to do is we're actually just going to compare the two scanning distances between the two scanners here. So again, I have the Honeywell, the 1900, the XLR version, rated for about 80 feet, which is where we're at right here. And as you can see, I'm still able to scan that barcode at the top of the door. It takes a couple seconds for it to register, but we're right about at that threshold there for being too far.
Yep, so now I'm going to do the same thing with the Zebra DS3600-XR. And we're easily able to get that barcode to scan here. I'm just going to keep working my way back. Still scanning, no issue. And now I'm going to go all the way back to the very back wall here, where we're at about 95 to 100 feet. See if we can still get this thing to scan. Sure enough, no problem. Still easily able to scan all the way back to 95, 100 feet.
So the first label we're going to be looking at here is one we've actually ripped in multiple directions, both vertically and horizontally. So again, ripped label, going to see what each scanner can do.
Yeah, so first with the Zebra one here, able to scan without an issue. And now the Honeywell, likewise scanning without a problem.
All right, and now we're going to be looking at a label that we're actually just going to put a nice line through, maybe an X, just to see if we can bust this up a little bit.
And with the Zebra, no problem. And the Honeywell, same thing, able to scan.
What if we use a darker marker?
Try it again. Still scanning. Pretty awesome.
All right, next one I'm going to do is I'm actually going to crinkle this guy up. I'm going to break this thing in half. So let's go see if we can scan that guy now.
With the Zebra, works good. Honeywell, same thing.
And if we throw that crinkled up barcode inside some other crinkled up wrap, what does that look like?
Still able to scan for the Zebra, same thing again for the Honeywell.
All right, so now we are here back from the warehouse. So as you saw, the Zebra device did obviously scan a little bit further than that Honeywell unit, but again, both have a very good scan distance. Both are very competitive scanners. Both are going to perform very, very well. As you see, they can scan broken barcodes through shrink wrap or some sort of plastic material. Again, we've been very impressed with both these units as we've kind of been going throughout this conversation and demonstration.
Yeah, so that wraps up our conversation for the day today. If you have any questions, if you'd like to do a demo of these units, feel free to reach out to Liberty Systems. We'd be more than happy to assist.